What we have here is a 7-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. It's a designer model with a remote controller that allows you to change the color, function, speed of all the different lights. I'll start going through some of the different colors. Now we've got the green that showed up here. We've got the red that popped up. See if we can get you a good view of the different colors here. Go back to different colors popping up. And some of the functions. It'll change all kinds of colors on you. Breaks down into 4 pieces, comes with a bag. It's a real beautiful tree. And the family's going to love playing with the remote control.